Hi and welcome to the April version of What Mattered. A little later on you'll hear from some people that I spoke to yesterday around what's happening in the market and also about what's happening in Fonterra. But firstly, I'd like to introduce Chris Potts. Chris is the new Regional Manager down in Gippsland. Chris, tell us a bit about yourself and your background.
A city boy originally. I studied ag science at uni and worked in agri-lending and banking for a number of years, and then came across to Fonterra. Been working for Fonterra for 4 years now, and originally as an area manager in Gippsland, and more recently been in the Melbourne office, involved in milk price setting and analysing the markets.
Great. And what are some of the key things you're hoping to achieve in your time out as you move back out into Gippsland?
One of the things I really enjoyed when I was working in the field as an area manager was some of the support crew that we're doing on farm, helping farmers move into profitability and really understanding their business. So I'm looking to take the Gippsland team to the next level there and really improve that program and make it something incredible.
Fantastic. And you touched on the price risk management piece that you've been working on over the last few months in particular. Just give us a sense of where you see the real benefit of the evolution of that program.
I think we've taken a big step this year in moving the program much earlier on in the year. I think it's crucial for farmers to be able to understand their milk price this time of year. So come first week of May, they'll have a good understanding of what they're going to earn in July and be able to make some decisions appropriately around that.
Fantastic. Well, good luck in Gippsland.
Thank you very much.
And great to have you on board for What Mattered.
Thank you very much. It was a great fun being here.
Thanks. So I'm joined now by Mark Conway. Mark's our commercial manager and looks after our ingredients business as well as the trading part of the organisation here. Now, Mark, last time we did one of these updates, the market had started to uplift a bit, but since that we've seen it come off. Tell us a bit more about why that is.
Yeah, so that uplift was on the back of concerns around New Zealand drought and also strikes in the US ports. So obviously we've seen volume in New Zealand stronger than that, and subsequently volume onto GDT, and also that product that was delayed in strikes has come back onto the market.
Yeah, okay. So crystal ball stuff, I know, but what do we see sort of out from here? What are the factors that are going to drive things from here?
Yeah, Matt, so we've seen some positive signs on GDT in terms of Chinese participation coming back online, although milk is expected to be strong in New Zealand, US and Europe. So the recovery will be slow, with more normalised pricing expected next calendar year.
Yeah, okay. So obviously a number of our farmers are sort of contemplating the volatility in their cost structures, and a number of those will be putting in tenders as part of the fixed base milk price program. The final aspect that I'm interested in your views or what you're seeing is the currency part.
Yeah, so obviously it's very difficult to predict, but you would have seen recently Reserve Bank Governor was talking about the currency still being too high, so hopefully some upside from currency, Matt.
Yeah, great. All right, look, thanks very much for your time, Mark. Appreciate that. So lastly today I'm joined by Kirill Simonovsky, who's our Director of Marketing here at Fonterra. Welcome, Kirill.
Thanks, Matt.
We've spoken before to our farmers about Tamar Valley yogurt. Can you get an update on how that's going in the marketplace?
Yep, thanks, Matt. Hello everyone. Tamar's a fantastic story for Fonterra. Over the past 12 months we've actually seen the brand double its share of a $1.2 billion yogurt category. Tamar now occupies somewhere in the order of 2.5% of that market, growing in excess of 15% on an annual basis. So we're seeing lots of strong growth driven by a whole host of measures, mainly range expansion into sort of more the natural, authentic space, but also quite a lot of customer-based initiatives, a strong marketing campaign which is sort of sought to introduce a little tub of Tassie to Australians and entice them to try our great range of yogurts. I think the other thing about the range that's really resonating is how much the quality of the ingredients that go into making the product is improving the taste of the profile of the yogurt category overall, so people are really, really happy with the taste of the product.
Fantastic story, and great to hear firsthand that the success that's having in the marketplace. Thanks for your time, Kirill.
Pleasure. Thanks, everyone.